Randy is over there finally taking a break because he's about had it with this weather, this cow shit in the yard, and trying to line up this damn car. But it's done. It's completed. Austin is going to come out here tomorrow, I guess, and tighten up all these little trim pieces and stuff and put the screws in it and tighten up the front fascia. But the hood closes, it opens, it runs, it drives. All of the broken material, the frame has been pulled back out. The subframe, the core support, all that's been pulled back out so that it looks like it's supposed to. It's done. Oh man, guys, rig just got done here at the deadline. Tomorrow is giveaway day, or giveaway announcement day. And this is the that's the old hood. This is the 1998 Oldsmobile 88 LS, Delta 88, whatever you want to call it. And for all intensive purposes, it's done. Austin is going to come out here tomorrow and tighten up all of this stuff with the front fascia. You know, get all this stuff to line up and button up. So you won't see this here, there. But all that's going to be tightened up, headlights and all that stuff done. But for the most part, what we needed to do today was to get the new hood on it and get it to latch. And Randy was able to help me. Well, he got it to line up and got it in. So major shout out to him for that. So today we're doing, he's like, yeah, fuck you. Today we're doing the announcement of our giveaway video. Now, very similar before, we've done this a couple of times now. Usually we give away one car every 30 to 45 days. It's not something expensive. It's not something crazy. It's just a reliable daily driver that will get you from point A to point B that might look okay. Last time, it was just one car, a gold Malibu that Silverback, one of our moderators here on the channel, and some of the other channels that are going to be involved in this giveaway, won. This one is red, gold, and it has a light blue fender. Now, we are debating whether or not I'm going to spray that with maybe a coat of paint, or just let it go like it is. Again, it's a free car with a clean open title. You can do whatever you want with it. Drive it home, you make it as a daily driver, and keep it moving. But this time we did something a little different. This is a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. Now that has 121,000 miles on it. This has 120,000 miles on it. That's right, extremely low miles. That 4,000 miles a year, maybe. This maybe around 5,000 miles a year, right? 5-speed manual, everything works on this, and it came with a JVC and a Sony custom stereo system. Yes, my hands are dirty, I've been working. So we're giving away 2. So whoever we pull first gets their choice between that 3800 V6 and this 2.0 non-turboed 5-speed manual 4-cylinder. Whoever we pull second, well, you gets what's left. Now, here are the rules of the giveaway. We have multiple channels, and I apologize for the wind in advance. It's about to storm here. We have multiple channels in this giveaway. Now, I'm going to list them here, and they're also going to be in the link in the description down below. You may even see me and Randy in some of the other people's giveaways as well. Again, I apologize about the wind. There really isn't much I can do about it. I'll try to get here in this little alcove where it's not so windy. Now, we have Auto Auction Rebuilds, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, Melly's World, T Rose, New York, Austin Car, myself, and the second channel, More with TK. The rules are exceptionally simple. They're easy. Just follow the damn rules, okay? Everybody has a chance to win. You don't have to buy a t-shirt. You ain't got to buy merch. You ain't got to do anything unsavory with your neighbor. It's easy. Make sure you're subscribed to every single channel. At this time, by the time you finish watching this giveaway video, other channels will have either already dropped or dropping their giveaway videos today. Watch those videos, thumbs up those videos, just like you're thumbing up this video, and put a comment on every single individual giveaway video, okay? Oh, I forgot New York is going to blast me for this. I forgot. You got to subscribe to New York in your city. Oh my God. Like I said, it's been crazy. I've been going nuts today trying to get this card done, and we actually got it done. Major shout out to Randy, because I wouldn't have got it done. But now that the car is done, we have 2 cars to give away. So again, subscribe to all of the channels. There should be 8 in total. That's me included. In the description down below, hit the thumbs up button on every single giveaway video. It's not that difficult. Again, they're free cars. You're not having to buy anything. You don't have to purchase anything. Just comment, like, and subscribe on each person's giveaway video. 30 days from today's date, we will announce a giveaway winner. We'll pull it randomly using a random picker from the comments of all 8 subscribed channels. Once we have that winner will pick between one of the 2 cars, and then we'll pull another winner, which will get the next car. Here's where things get a little interesting. Here's where things get a little interesting. Y'all said, oh, you guys are only giving away cheap cars or crap cars. You know, we don't want a $2,500 Jetta. We don't want a $1,500 Oldsmobile. We want something real. Give away a Hellcat. That ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry. If you thought I was gonna give away a Hellcat, you're on the wrong channel. But under the right circumstances, I might do something batshit crazy. That's right. The Black Mamba is in play. Now, if you don't know what the Black Mamba is, then you obviously don't follow my channel, and I can't help you. But if my channel, if this channel right here, TK's Garage, gets to 100,000 subscribers, Melly World gets to 100,000 subscribers, New York in Your City gets to 100,000 subscribers, Austin Car gets to 100,000 subscribers, or Auto Auction Rebuilds gets to 500,000 subscribers, Lucky's Wheels and Deals gets to 250,000 subscribers, or More with TK gets to 150,000 subscribers, then I'm giving away the Black Mamba. And every channel doesn't have to hit that mark. That's unrealistic. But if only one of those channels hits that benchmark, we're giving away the Black Mamba. And to make it fair, because you're going to say there's no way that none of these channels could hit those benchmarks in 30 days, while the giveaway for the other 2 cars ends in 30 days, we'll leave it open to see if any of those subscriber marks are met or broken to give away the Black Mamba in the next 60 days from today. So there you have it. You don't have to buy a t-shirt. You ain't got to buy some shit. You ain't got to sell some lotions, vitamins, or any other crap to your family and sign up for a business that's never going to make any money. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, damn it. It don't get no easier than that. So, with that said, that's going to wrap it up for this very simple giveaway video. Randy thinks I'm smoking crack talking about giving away the Black Mamba. He thinks I'm batshit crazy. But, like I said, hit any of those benchmarks and the Black Mamba is up for giveaway. Real simple. Anyways, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. We got a bunch of stuff to do. You can see Randy over there messing with the S-Class. The giveaway car right here is finally done and put together. The other one right there. Good luck.